Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We are coming up with a new series on AZ-900 Microsoft Azure Fundamental Certifications. AZ-900 is an entry-level certification focused on the basics of cloud computing and Azure services. You don't need any prior technical experience. This exam is ideal for beginners, IT students, business professionals, and anyone looking to understand how cloud solutions work in the real world. This is the link for official study guide for AZ-900 Microsoft Azure Fundamental Certifications. In this document, you can see what all the different prerequisites or what all things you will learn in this course. I will paste the link in the description of this video. For passing AZ-900 exam, you need a score of 700 or greater. Similarly, if we scroll down, you can see that it has described what are multiple topics you need to cover to pass these exams. Describe cloud concepts. It has 25 to 30% part of the exam in which you have multiple sections. And describe cloud computing. You need to define the cloud computing, describe the shared responsibility model, cloud models, public, private, and hybrid. We will go through each of these topics in detail in the further videos in this series. Similarly, in the next section, you will be having describe Azure architecture and services, which will be 35 to 40% part of your exam. Again, in this, you will be having multiple sections to cover, which we will cover in the upcoming videos. In this section, you need to go through Azure architectural components, Azure compute and networking services, Azure storage services, Azure identity, access and security. Next section, you have Azure management and governance, which is 30 to 35%. In this section, you will have to understand what is cost management in Azure, describe the features and tools in Azure for governance and compliance, like Azure Microsoft Purview, Azure Policy, resource blocks, describe the features and tools for managing deploying Azure resources. Then you will be understanding monitoring tools in the Azure. So this is all the topics that you need to cover to pass the AZ-900. So overall, it has three sections. Describe cloud concepts, 25 to 30%. Then Azure architecture and services, 35 to 40%. And then you have Azure management and governance, 30 to 35%. We will go through all these topics in detail in upcoming videos in this series. So please stay tuned for this series and we will make a very comprehensive videos to pass AZ-900 Azure Fundamental certifications. Thank you. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.